Did you know the original Roomba was built by a military robot company? IRobot, the maker of Roomba, wasn't always about vacuums. It started as a military robotics firm, developing bomb disposal units. After the tech was proven in defense, co-founder Rodney Brooks pivoted toward consumer robotics. Roomba launched in 2002 and became a surprise hit. Over 30 million units have been sold. The transition from battlefield to living room shows how dual-use tech can transform everyday life. One day, it's defusing IEDs. Next day, it's dodging dog toys in your hallway.